To set touch and hold function of Galaxy Buds Live that are connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as volume buttons, while you are wearing both earbuds, go to the app screen. Find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. And then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon. And then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap touch control. Tap left. And then select volume down. As a note, this will automatically set the touch and hold function for the right earbud to volume up. With this setting, when you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, you can increase the media volume by tapping and holding the right earbud, and decrease the media volume by tapping and holding the left earbud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.